All right, I am back. It is April 15th, 2:53 p.m. My goal is to finish the video I started working on a few minutes ago. Just had some lunch. So I'm feeling good, feeling refreshed. I'm going to finish where we left off. So there's 4 things here that you can see. We actually don't really need all of that just yet. So I'll put this here for now. What I can also do is create a, oh wow, I forgot the term for it. That's how, it's been a while. It's been a few years since I've used Final Cut. Compound clip. So I'll take all the little baby clips and turn the whole thing into just one clip. The purpose of that is that you can cut things up a lot easier. You can treat it as one clip and you don't have to worry about stuff moving around out of place. Like let's say I just want it just like this. Simple, simple, simple. And I could retime it and do all sorts of stuff. Just like it for now. It's good to have. What I do want to do eventually is create more titles or modify this title. You just see it's just the letter L, like each of these letters, time it so that it zooms in and out or changes how it looks depending on the music. So we'll do some keyframing there. We're going to keep working on this because now we have the timing, we have the letters, we have the font getting bigger. Let's start adding in some, should we add some color? Let's just do like white on red. That would require me to remember how to change colors. Let's see. Insert generator. Titles and generators. Generators. Ah, it's up here. Okay. Well, lots of stuff. Barely remember using elements, shapes. Shapes might be fun. FX Factory Pro 3 color gradient. That could be nice. I'll use something here. All right. Start color. Let's use red here. The white is okay. This works. This or this. 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 That. You can literally spend all day just working with that. I'm gonna go with this because gives us a really strong color to work with. We adjust the timing, and then we're going to plop it right under that sequence, the title. So now, that's a big difference. Okay, what we could do is we could use this color for the entire clip, which will make it easier to just kind of have some progress from where we were at the beginning with the black screen. It's a very simple video. Interesting. I lowered it and I still don't like it, so I'm going to have to move it back. How neurotic of me. Okay. Let's go back to what we're doing. Get some color. Do we even want to try to put in the other assets? The video assets? Not really, right? I mean, we could. This particle thing looks pretty cool. It could be pretty rad to bring in some, I don't know, what would you call it? Like confetti? Could I even make it useful? I don't want to overpower it. What we can do is maybe have 2 going from the right to the left. Add another. I'm just gonna I think I'll be okay with this. It's cheesy, but you know what? I got him right. I think it a little bit better. It's a little bit better. Top right. I don't want to move that one. This one. Top right. -3, maybe. Yeah, that's what I was going for. That looks better. Okay, I'm done. I won't mess with it anymore. I think I'm happy with it as it is. So what we're gonna do, copy, paste, and then we need the compound clip. Clip number 4. Now it's a clip, and we're gonna just drop it over here. Okay. What else do we want to do? We want to change the letters so that they respond or they're kind of synced with the music. Like maybe make it big, make it little each time we hear something in the music change. Like, how would we do that? So like maybe every time we get to this part of the sound wave, it's like bum 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 bum. So maybe on each note, we can do a keyframe and change the size. How do we do that? Keyframing is basically like an animation where out of the 24 frames per second, one of those frames has a key change to it. So on L, we highlight the L title, the size here. I don't even know, can I add a keyframe to this? What I used to do in the past before I figured stuff out, I would just make a different title with the larger text. and I would flip between the two titles. It sounds like a lot of work. Sometimes you have to like take a long route if you can't figure out how the program wants to do it. Could we have done this whole thing with AI? I don't know. I mean, maybe. I have no idea what that animate means. But what I want to do is change this. I think I just did undo. I don't want that. What we might be able to do is transform. I don't know if I've ever done a transform on a title before. Ah, here we go. Okay, scale. So, add a keyframe. Huh. And let's just do 200%. It's easier to count. And then we need another keyframe for the next note. And I think I just move it back to 100. And it just figures out the rest. So then let's go to the next note. Somewhere over here. And then back up to 200. So we're going from 100 to 200 in scale for each of these notes. Testing it out right now. I'm not sure if this is the way I need to do it. Assuming that each time it reaches the next note, it's going to change in scale to what we set it for. So we'll play it back and see if that does what we needed it to do. It seems like a lot of work, right? Keyframing. It's a lot of work. Animation is a lot of work. Could we have used AI to do this for us? Maybe. We have a prompt to tell it exactly what to do in Final Cut. Maybe. But I also have no idea if I have the time or patience to figure that out. So let's just take a look at what we did. Did it do what I wanted to do? Yes and no. Do I want it to do something else? Yeah. What's happening here? Let's take a look. Let's troubleshoot. Okay, so like the first problem is that we start on the high and then it goes low. We actually want to do the opposite. So maybe what we can do is expect the keyframe 100. Go to the next one, 200, 100, 200, 100, 100. I don't know if it did what we really wanted it to do. Let's take a look. Let's go back. Kinda, we're getting closer. So we wanted to be more. The thing with keyframing is it figures out how to morph from one position to the next. So if you watch the scale, you see the scale moves up and down instead of like a hard flip to the next number. That makes sense. This is definitely time consuming, and for the sake of just making a video, let's just continue with this shenanigan for the O, V, and E, just so we have something at the end, and that'll be the end of the video. Like, let's just stop it there, because we could always add more stuff, but with all the changes that we made, we actually have 4 different versions so far, and this will be the 5th and final version. So let's start with a keyframe. Actually, we need to select the item first, start with the keyframe, then we go to the, here, let's do it this way. So instead of the beginning of the wave, I'm going to the end of the wave. Or maybe not. We'll see. I'm just typing it in. I'm not sure if it's saving. I'll find out. I'll find out. It's doing what I want it to do. And I'm going to do this for the next 2 letters. And in post, I can just increase the speed because we don't care. Or, you know, we could increase the speed. Increase the speed to 2 speed, 3 speed. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna fix it in post. All right, how do you think we did? I have no idea, but let's also let's just watch it. Let's just watch it from the beginning. It's 336. I think we're doing it right. Let's see how we did. It's pretty obnoxious. I like it for a first video. Just putzing around, not really taking things too seriously, not overthinking it too much. I think we did a good job. So we copy everything, copy, we paste, select everything again, make a compound clip. Number 5. How long is that? So that clip, about 24 seconds. if we were to watch this whole thing from the beginning to the end, let's see the progression of our video clip from the beginning, from just a bare black screen, plain white text, to the effects that we added at the end. Alright, chaotic, love it. Our first time video. It's something. I'm gonna go ahead and upload that to YouTube, and I'll figure out some other wacky ideas to make it more psychedelic. I'll find some other visual effects that we can add to that, and maybe find some other audio clips to play with. But yeah, could we have done this with AI generative? I don't know. Maybe a cool compare contrast kind of thing to try out. So we'll end here for now, and I'll make another video later. Thank you.